heat is killing me. It's official. I drove the little boy from Stockholm, Sweden to the beaches of Thailand. Oh my God. So I just came here. It's on top of some mountain. Can't really see it. There you are. Some mountain with some like waterfalls around. And this is gonna be my first camping since Iran, basically. So we're all set up in the first camping of Thailand. And I couldn't find the bottom protection for the tent, so now I had to repack everything. Other than that, it's a little bit hot and I'm sweating. Tomorrow I'll go check out some waterfalls. There's supposed to be 2 here, like one like 200 meters that way and one 100 meters that way or something. The guy told me here. Yeah, I'm excited. First camping in a long time. Yeah. I just realized though that I have so much shit that I will never use again. Like maybe if I go to Alaska someday, I don't know. That's just been sitting in the bottom of this Enduristan 30-liter side pannier ever since the weather turned hot. I don't know. Maybe I'll change that up someday. But for now, I'm just gonna pack everything back down and be happy with it. Good morning. I'm gonna go down and see if I can get myself a morning swim. Been sleeping to this sound of the creek all night and just waited for this moment. Like a morning dip, something. Okay. Are we still recording? Yes, we are. Still recording. And I look like a white ghost. The fuck? But anyways, yeah, that's my morning swim for today. I hope more days could be like this. Yeah, let's go back to the bike. Right over there. Yeah. Definitely one of the best campings I've done. Like this huge open space for myself. I don't know what these buildings are, but there's no people in here. And just over there I can refill water, they play music, funny guys over there. At the creek, you can't hear it maybe, but I can hear it. It's right over there in my tent. It's beautiful. Okay, let's leave the camp. I still didn't figure out where to go though. I have no internet here, so I can't do any research. I didn't do research in advance, unfortunately, but I think we're gonna be alright. Maybe I should go somewhere here. How long time is it, my son? Just like that, we were on the road again. On my way to the first stop, that is refueling, some Wi-Fiing to some posts. And I was there last night I went there just to buy some night snacks. I left my tent. Coolest roads I've ever taken. It's so nice. Gotta be careful though, it's fucking... yeah, it's tiny and it's so fucking curvy, as you can see. Just had my first small stop, refueled. Ate a little bit, took something to drink as well. And now off to the next campsite. It's a little bit longer today, almost 200 kilometers. Okay, I have to be honest. I spent, I think, roughly 3 weeks in Chiang Mai, just partying, doing nothing, blah blah blah. I was feeling like, what the fuck am I doing? And every day I told to myself like, oh, this is it, tomorrow I'm leaving. And then same story over again. But yesterday I just like pulled through and actually left. I had this amazing camping last night. I mean, I feel like a new person. I have new energy. I don't know, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's amazing. Being on the road, just going somewhere, putting up your camp, living life, seeing new places. So for sure I'm not gonna stay for that period of time in any city again, because I know that I will just get fucking depressed. Anyways, that's my little emotional breakdown, almost, whatever you want to call it. Happy times now. New adventure. I'm off to a new campsite about 170 kilometers from here. Yeah. I think I spotted a place that I just spontaneously wanna... Well, that didn't take long. I got about 50 kilometers and then I just spotted this, and over in the corner here is some kids and a family swimming, and I mean, look at this, it's just too beautiful. I couldn't resist, I just stopped immediately. That was a nice stop. Time to swim again. Oh, time to ride again. Back on the horse, on the move. 119 kilometers left. So I just entered the national park. I was just following the map towards the destination. I found an overlander, and then all of a sudden I enter here and I had to pay. Always a bummer when you have to pay unexpectedly. I sure hope that I won't have to pay for camping as well. Let's see. Oh, it's fine. I'm trying to live on a budget though, so. Okay, and we're back at this spot again, because I went inside, went to the place I had on a map. Looked like a huge camping complex still being constructed. It was horrible. So I went back here, chilled with the Wi-Fi a little bit, did some more research. I mean, I won't stay in there. And now there's nobody here to give me my money back for the ticket. But yeah, just gotta get out of here and do my own thing. camping the other day. It didn't go as well the second day, like yesterday. Just turned dark and didn't find anything, so I ended up here. Perfect. I'm trying to be on budget and this is not the way to do it, so I'm a little bit disappointed, but what to do. Anyways, now it's early morning. I'm trying to go to Bangkok today, I think. Well, I booked a room in the hostel. See you on the road.